The LG dryer D80 error code indicates a problem with the dryer's ventilation system, occurring when air cannot be properly transmitted out of the dryer. Common causes of this issue include overloading the dryer, a dirty lint filter, or problems with the exhaust hose. To resolve the issue, try reducing the load in the dryer by turning it off, unplugging it, and removing excess items before restarting it. Cleaning the lint filter is also essential. Simply turn off the dryer, locate the filter, clean it thoroughly, and replace it before turning the dryer back on. Additionally, inspect the exhaust hose at the back of the dryer for any issues or loose connections, making any necessary repairs before plugging in and restarting the dryer. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the D80 error code and get your dryer working properly again.